Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're comparing two popular live TV streaming services, Fubo and YouTube TV. We'll check their features, pricing, and which one might be better for you. Let's get started. 1. What are they? YouTube TV, Google's streaming service with 100 plus live channels, unlimited DVR, and a simple interface. Fubo, known as the sports first service. It has lots of sports channels, regional sports, plus regular entertainment channels. 2. Pricing. YouTube TV costs about $82.99 per month for the base plan. If you want 4K, it's an extra $9.99 a month. Fubo starts at about $84.99 per month, but higher tiers include 4K and more channels. Sometimes there are extra sports fees. 3. Channels and sports. Both have major networks like ABC, CBS, Fox, and NBC. Fubo is stronger for sports. It includes regional sports networks and international sports. YouTube TV has a good variety and also offers NFL Sunday Ticket. 4. DVR and streaming. YouTube TV, unlimited DVR, but recordings expire in 9 months. 3 streams at once, unlimited with 4K add-on. Fubo, unlimited DVR with no expiration in most plans, up to 10 streams at home, plus a few on the go. Conclusion. That's it for today's comparison of Fubo versus YouTube TV. Which one do you prefer? Drop your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.